Hi buddies, let me show you how we can redirect a domain to a different website. Like I have made a website in here. I want to show you in base 44 this one, and if I want to show you the preview here, this was a Salon Meta Ads agency. So if I want to show you the URL, and this is the URL. If I want to visit here, just need to go. Now you can see this is the mahbub.base44.app, and we want to redirect this domain mahbubmedia.com. Okay, so let's go to our cpanel. We are in our cpanel. Just when you will log in your cpanel, you will see like this. We need to just go domain section, then just click on redirect. We just need to put our domain. First select our domain, then select our domain, our all available domain showing here. We can do it permanently or temporary. We are selecting permanent, and then we need to put our base 44 URL in CM. Okay, perfect. Now we just need to click on add. If I click on add, it will show here and it will be added here. I have already added this, you can see. Now if I go to mahbubmedia.com, will redirect to mahbub.base44.app. So this is how you can do it very easily. So thank you. Let me know if you need any kind of help on this. Thank you.